Okay, a customer brought this Toshiba that is not turning on. I've tried with several chargers and it's not turning on. So I just removed the board. This is the motherboard of the Toshiba laptop. But after checking out if there is a physical issues, yes, I can see a physical issue here at this capacitor. So this capacitor, I think, is the one stopping the system not to turn on. So let's do justice to it. This is it. Now I've removed the damaged capacitor from the board. Still remember, this is Toshiba board, so I just removed the capacitor, the damaged capacitor, and now let's try it out. If it will respond, plug your charger to it. I think it have to respond to it. So I just plugged the charger to it. So let's see. Yeah, it's responding. So when you press it, let's see. Okay, after on it, yeah, it has worked. So thank you guys. This is PC 24 hours repairs. Contact us for your motherboard case. Thank you.